Good day everyone, and welcome to my EduTech Classroom demo. Today, I'm excited to show you how technology can transform the way we learn and teach. In this session, we explore how modern digital tools create a more engaging, interactive, and effective learning environment. From interactive quizzes to collaborative activities, EduTech helps make education not only accessible but also more enjoyable for students of all ages. Let's dive into how we bring innovation to our classroom and empower every learner to succeed in the digital age. Thank you, and let's get started.
I will show you how to use EduTech and how to register in our app. First is you will fill up the three: username, email, password. And if you did not fill anything, this error message will display. Please fill. I will start with my teacher. I will fill any teacher in this. I will example Sir Juan. And this is email Juan de la Cruz at lspu.edu.ph, and I will create something password for her. Pogi ako. And if you successfully register, and this message will show you, please select your role, teacher. And after you are logged in as a teacher, and you will create a create class and enter class name. Example is ITEP 1000 and create class, and you have successfully, and you can copy the code from your classroom, copy code, and back. And I will show you again for the student. Enter the student name, Joshua. Enter their institution name, if Gmail account, and 0485 at lspu.edu.ph. Enter his password, gmail.com. Register, and please select your role, student, and join. Please select join class and enter the code that you copy from your teacher, and you have successfully joined in the class. Thank you for watching.